Hi, good evening. Today I'm going to be teaching you a very important thing in the Revit. When you are preparing plan, you should know that how to do floor plan in Revit. Okay, so I have a building and this is how it looks in 3D, and if we go to floor plan, and so this is how it looks. I believe this looks better. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you what all elements the floor plan contains, and I'm going to be explaining you critical things to make these drawings. Okay, so a few things are not directly explained in Revit, so we should use our brain to do it in a different way. So that's what I'm going to teach you today. Okay, now let's see what is there in the floor plan. So first let's go from outside. So we have our title block. Really I have not changed anything in the title block, so let's hide them. I have done element hide, and I have my north arrow. I can hide, I can right click, hide in view, I can do hide in element, and then we have door schedule and window schedule. Here you can see type mark for doors and windows, and we have the total count also, and here you can see in the plan these are marked and these are tagged. So once I change any door in the plan, so this will automatically update the schedule. So let's hide the schedule also. These are very easy things. Okay, what else we have? So we have our title block. Okay, let's hide our title block. Select say no title, and then we have our property line. Come here, select, these are our property line. You can see here in the property it's showing that property line. So I have drawn two property line. Actually property line is supposed to be closed loop, so that is why we are getting a warning here. So if I select this one, this rectangle, you can see there is no warning, and if I select this single line, it's showing a warning. And what is the warning? Property line do not form a closed loop. So that's the warning. That's okay, it's fine for now. Let's select and hide them. Let's focus on what's important. Select, right click, hide in view category, right click, deactivate. So here we have our ground floor plan and first floor plan. So I have some dimension, you can see here. Select the dimension, and you know how to give dimension, so I'm going to hide them. Okay, and here you can see car. So you can download library elements and you can just place. So let's hide car. Let's hide all the furniture. Okay, so here what do we have now? Bathroom fixtures. Select, right click, hide in view category, and I have staircase. So I have steps here. So let's select staircase, right click, hide in view category. We have railing. Select, right click, hide in view category. So these things you know it, somehow you might learn it from other videos, that's why I'm hiding. So here we have door, window and wall. Select, hide in view category, and we have window, hide in view category. And here you can see I have hidden everything, but there are some lines. So these are from floor and roof. So these are kitchen attachment. Okay, so we have our slab. So I have hidden everything. So what is remaining is only room and room tag. So here the room tag has dimension. So I'm going to be showing you how I did this. And the other one is, here you can see the roof line. This line I cannot select from this view. Actually I have used two views and I placed on the same place. So I'm going to be showing you why I did that and how to do it. So that point we are going to focus. And then here in the view browser, here in the project browser, you can see there are some more titles are there. So this is not usual. So actually I have changed the project browser by inserting a project parameter like a view folder. I think I have explained this view folder in another video. I will give the link. So these 3 points we are going to see in this video. One is room tag, second one the roof hidden line or overhead line, third one is project browser. Okay, so I'm going to bring everything back now. Go to VV, select everything, or I can do undo also, select till here. Okay, so we have everything. So here I'm going to show you. So here you can see, if I move one view, you can see here. So this is one view and this is one view. This view I have prepared especially for the lintel outline. So here you can see the remaining lines. By default, whatever is there in the top, it will not appear in the floor plan. So in case if you need, then you should prepare another plan here as it is shown. So to take only the lintel line, then you should model the lintel line as roofs, and then in the visibility graphics hide all the category except the roof, so that you will see only the roof here in the plan. And you should be take care of, then you should be changing the view range also to cover this range. So you can see here the cut plane is 8 feet and the top is 9 feet. So right click, deactivate view. So this is the first secret in this Revit floor plan. Okay, so I'm going to place the floor plan here. Try to match. Once you match, you will see the blue color line, and here I'm going to bring this roof line and I'm going to match the position. Okay, so here now you can see how it looks. The second one is room tag. Here if you see, I'm giving tab select because I have two views in the same place. Okay, if I just select, I cannot edit the view, so that will go to the roof plan. Okay, so right click, deactivate view. So keep your cursor on the plan, give tab and then select, then double click. So here now I can select the element. I have actually modified a room tag. If I select the element and if I go to edit family, so here I have two labels, one label for the room name, other one I have created a shared parameter. If I go to edit label, and here you can see room L and room W, L for length, W for width. Both are x-axis actually, right? That's how I named it. Okay, to create a new parameter, then you can select here add parameter and you can select the text file. Okay, so here you have to go here, you have to select the text file and say open, and here you can create your parameter. Once you create your parameter, keep the name and discipline as common, and type parameter make it as text so that you can put your data. So that's what I have created, a text parameter to give room length and width. Actually it should be room width and room height, or room width and room height. Okay, so here you can see it's a room name. If you go to edit label, here you can see it's just a name. To place label, go to create, select label, and once you click the location, it will pop up a window, and here you can select and you can add the label. So that's how you have to add the label. So I have added, I have room name and I have created shared parameter. Now once it is loaded into the project, you can click here, and here you can see you can actually give your input. So this is not linked with the 3D model, so whatever you write here, it is just going to take the value. If you say OK, it will get update. Actually by default we don't have any option to update length and width in Revit. So because of the scenario, because it's not every time you will get a perfect square or rectangle, so that is why this length and width parameter is not solved in Revit. So we have to do it for now with manual update. Okay, I hope you have understood what is there in this tag. If you have not understood, please write to me. Okay, I will try to make another video to explain how I did this. Okay, the third one is a view folder. So I have the view folder. Right click, if I go to browser organization, and here you can see I have created one profile view folder. If I go to edit type, here you can see sorting and grouping by discipline, family and type, and then it's going to happen with the view folder parameter, and then we are saying OK. So view folder, if you want to create, so actually you are creating another project parameter, go to manage, take project parameter, and then add a parameter, give a name, and select view and sheet. View and sheet. Okay, so it's a name, common, and keep it as text. So that is how I have created a parameter for view and sheet. And once you select the view, and here you can update view folder. So I have given default, so that's why this is coming under default. So here I'm just going through the idea. I believe you can understand. If you have not understood, please let me know, then I will make another video. So everything else is simple, and I believe you can do the same kind of plan for your project. That's all for the day. Thank you. Bye bye.